Alright, so today at a sell bias, we can see that London created a 1 hour imbalance that I was expecting price to react from and continue down. I wanted to see something like this. On the 15-minute, we can see two clear 15-minute imbalances. I needed to see price respect this one and continue down. We can see it blew through the first one, which is pretty common. The second one's never as strong. I was going to switch my bias if we got to break a structure above here and a 15-minute close. However, we can see that price began to react from the zone, showing indecision in market and potential continuation zone. We'll hop on over to the live trade and see how it played out. Alright, so price is in that second 15-minute zone I had marked out earlier. You can see that I've entered once the bullish fair value gap was closed by an inverted fair value gap, marked out by the small red box within the big red box. This is my trigger area. Once price gets into here, I'm expecting a continuation down to that lower wick of, I believe that would be New York Open there at 9:30. And like I said, I have to not be staring at the charts this week. I'm going to get into a trade, I'm going to set my alerts, and I'm going to walk away. My alerts are set top bottom. I'm switching the screen to DXY so that I can't see my trade in the background of whatever I'm doing, and I'm letting it play out. Chair is empty, I'm away. I have been checking it momentarily, like I'm not 100% at this. You know, I'm kind of standing there nervously, but you know, I'm the first step of fully detaching from this trade. All right, and at this point, we can see that the trade's pretty much back to break even. We can see a lot of indecision and consolidation prior to this, and it kind of makes me think that this is maybe a place or a trade I would have got out of earlier had I been sitting here watching it the whole time. Alright, so my alert on ES was hit. I have an alert set on ES as well, just because the lower liquidity on ES has been now taken. So oftentimes the liquidity on the opposite asset will cause a reversal of the asset you're on. So taking this into consideration, I just wanted to see where price was when this got swept. So I have my TP1 location here. Now it's in my game plan to go break even as well as take some profit here. So I'm not in this for nothing at this point, and I'm risk free. You can see I've trailed the stop loss above some structure there. It's kind of getting to the point where price is consolidating, and it's time to start thinking about whether holding it is worth the risk of it coming back to my trailed stop loss, or taking as much of a full TP I can take right now. And yeah, I decided to take the full closure, full TP, and just go on with my day.